And support continues to mount for Republic as the I Am Republic campaign is getting bigger. We are getting you these live pictures from Bengaluru, where you see so many supporters come in front of the same frame to put out and extend their support to Republic. Sagairaj, my colleague, is joining us from this very spot. Over to you, Sagairaj.
You can see a group of journalists from various media organizations have gathered in front of Maurya Circle in support of Republic TV. You can see this I Am Republic campaign is being spread across the country, and we are getting support from large number of people and journalists. And this is a group of journalists from various organizations have come together and supporting Republic and against Maharashtra government. Sir, what is your reason behind this particular protest?
See, basically all this started from when Arnab Goswami started this Palghar Sadhu's murder case. So after that, the way Arnab Goswami went after Maharashtra government asking tough questions, it is Palghar or Sushant Singh Rajput death case, or you are the drug and the Bollywood mafia, everything made government a little uncomfortable. So they should have dealt this with a legally, instead of going a witch hunt against the Republic Media Network and filing around 1,000 complaints against journalists and making their life miserable. I mean, this is completely hypocrisy and vindictive politics which government is doing. This is not the way the democratically elected government should deal with the public. It is anti-constitutional, it is unethical, and it is, I would say, it is a kind of a monarchy which the Maharashtra government is at present. They completely lost their mind, and they don't know what to do now. They started this witch hunt. I mean, the Paramveer Singh is the face of the witch hunt, and he is using all tactics on his book just to manipulate things and to put this what they call the TRP scam, which in Arnab Goswami or Republic TV never had been. They planted this case, and the recent sting operation which Republic did, one of the minister has told very clearly that they'll make sure the way they are going to fix Arnab Goswami, he might commit suicide. Look at the way they are speaking. So this is completely vindictive politics, this is anti-constitutional, this is immoral. So we felt it is necessary to stand with Arnab Goswami for his ferocious journalism, what he is doing.
Sir, we all are journalists, we come from journalism background, and try to understand that the commissioner is asking for the source of our information. Don't you think that this generation, they are asking these kind of questions from journalists, what is your source and how do you get the news? And they are also asking the password of computer where we operate from our office in Mumbai.
See, I don't think this Paramveer Singh is like a businessman. I don't think he's a police guy. So otherwise, it's clearly a bigger ecosystem working behind what I feel. Like, the way they ask questions, like a bigger ecosystem is working behind the police station, and they really want what is the source of Arnab Goswami, what is his journalistic secret. So that is what they are doing. See, just because you have all the power to use, it doesn't mean that you should twist the law and your power like the way you are doing. I mean, it's completely ridiculous. I mean, the Paramveer should have little shame. He is basically IPS officer. He is not a constable who did his SLC and came into career. So at least he should behave like an IPS officer. He is a shame for an IPS cadre, I would say. I'm sorry to say this, but the way he is doing it is the same way.
How do you see this particular attack on the media?
See, Arnab Goswami, he is trying to reveal the truth, but due to the political interference and the so-called commissioner, Mumbai commissioner, he is trying to seal down the Arnab Goswami, which is impossible. It might get delayed with one or two, but the truth will be revealed from Arnab Goswami itself.
How do you see this particular attack on the media? You have come together, and you can understand that the kind of torture that Commissioner of Mumbai is trying to give it to the people of our colleagues back in Mumbai by asking what is your source and the password of the computer and everything.
First of all, the police commissioner should know his limits. police commissioner is behaving like one income tax department commissioner, where he doesn't have the rights to ask questions regarding whatever where the funds are coming. He should do his duties, not interfering what income tax people should do. And what Arnab Goswami was doing, it was like against drug mafia, everything in favor of public. That is a wonderful job he was doing. It was in favor of public, and it was favor of democracies. We should support. That's why we are here to show that we are with Arnab Goswami.
So this is the voice of the people. Sir, how do you see that Republic TV was always been targeted, and even Arnab Goswami, from Palghar incident to Sushant Singh murder case, and even if you notice, the Bangalore drug case was also the thing which has been started by Republic TV back in Mumbai. Once they try to dig, that's when the Bangalore drug case also becomes so big. How do you see this particular plot against Republic TV and Arnab Goswami whenever they try to reveal the truth?
So, I feel it's more like the targeting of the nationalistic media. Whenever you try to highlight issues which actually affect the common man, whether it's a Palghar incident, and the forces which are inimical to all Hindu interests and nationalistic interests, they are the forces being targeted, either by the Maharashtra government or whoever it is. So I think it's part of a systematic cabal which is using Arnab Goswami to target all the nationalistic media, and it's sad that people who are supposed to be liberal and activists for freedom of expression, they are completely silent. So that's really sad. Right.
Sir, what is your demand? Do you think that Parambir Singh had to take moral responsibility and resign because he is openly exposed amongst the people that he is trying to take the revenge against Republic TV because he was being exposed in Sushant Singh murder case?
It looks like more like a personal vendetta, but whatever it is, it shouldn't become a personal case. So, I mean, legally, whatever they want to investigate, they should, but not take it like the way it looks like it's being a case of personal vendetta. That has to stop. Yeah.
Ma'am, what do you think about the entire act of Mumbai police against Republic TV?
It's ridiculous. I did not expect this from Mumbai police. From Sushant case, we are seeing there is Arnab is speaking over it, and nobody is standing for him. We are the public who are standing with Arnab, and we'll always stand for him.
So this is the voice of the people. This is the voice of group of journalists who say that they will stand with Arnab Goswami in Republic TV no matter what happens, even if Parambir Singh is trying to take revenge or trying to do a personal attack on Republic. People know that what is happening, and they will never allow Parambir Singh to go against Republic. Back to you.